So excited to lose control of the bowels.
He's like, let me school you pups real quick.
Took her whole face.
Let me tell y'all how it's going to be. They are just rascals. Lindlin, you're so good. Oh, look at this flea bite. You see that? Lindlin, you're such a good boy, being good to the babies. The little non-hearing babies.
I just take the whole head.
Was she just over there digging? Who was just over there digging, wasn't he?
Probably, I wasn't looking.
I wasn't either. Hey, buddy.
Good boy.